Hey guys and girls, it's Jamie here from 4x4 Australia, and I'm super excited because we're down here today at TC Boxes, catching up with Josh. Put it there, legend. How are you?
Good, mate. Excellent.
Awesome, mate. So look, this is a really exciting day for us because this is our very first installment going onto the Triton build.
Yes, mate.
That our viewers are going to be following the progression. So why don't you share with everybody a little bit about exactly what you guys are going to be doing in as far as kitting out the Triton to make it sick for the tradies out there.
Yeah, cool, man. So first off, we'll get your Triton out the back there and start off with a 1650 tray. With the chassis set up on the Triton, we think that that's the best paired matchup for that vehicle. And on top of that, we're going to get some 1450 toolboxes. A little bit of versatility across either side. One side's going to be a CT unit with some internal drawers, so nice space and storage there to put away you know, individual items and whatnot. And on the other side of the toolbox, we'll throw in one of our full door opens, which has a nice little shelf in there as well. So that'll leave plenty of room for down the track customizations with that versatility of the space. With the toolbox setup, you do have a tunnel down the center. So we'll match that up with one of our gate kits, which will add a bit of extra security and utilize that space for storage as well without stuff sliding off. So,
fantastic.
And a couple of little options to get you out in the bush and doing your thing as well. Put a couple of jerry can holders on the back. So obviously great for holding jerry cans, but also good for a bag of firewood or whatnot like that too. And up on top of your canopies, we're going to pair that up with a couple of ladder racks as well, mate. So the swags or the kayak or whatever it may be, the ladders during the week, they'll all fit up there and yeah, be nice and usable.
Perfect, mate. Cool. That sounds awesome. I love the crossover between the tradie during the week and then the weekend we'll be getting out, hitting the road or fishing, camping, whatever. It's all ticking the boxes.
Very much so, mate. These days, everything's got to be able to be versatile, and this is definitely going to do that for you.
And they'll be able to load pretty much everything they're going to need for at least a couple of days in there. Now, look, what are we going in terms of colour, in terms of material?
And then with that setup that we're doing for you, it's our standard black Skylar powder coat as well, so across the whole build there.
Awesome.
Yep.
So I guess the tradies out there that are familiar with your products are going to know all about the longevity, the durability. These things are going to like last the distance on site. What's some of the standout features that you want to share that everyone can, maybe that aren't familiar with you guys? Some of the specs that make it such a standout product. Yeah,
we use high quality aluminium throughout all of our products there. And also being powder coated, it's going to give you that longevity for looking schmick on the back of the truck too. Yeah. But the big benefit with us is no matter really what your flavour is, we'll probably have something that can suit that need, whether it be work or play or a bit of both as well. Cool. Especially going to the canopy side of things, so we've got jack-off canopies available as well. So we have some customers that run two setups, one for work and one for the weekend. Yeah. So yeah, and all you need to do is jump on one of our websites, check out some of our reviews, or read on social media. All of our customers love and rave about us. So
fantastic. Well, number one, tell everybody the website so they can jump on there and have a look.
www.tcboxes.com.au.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So look, before we wrap up, mate, why don't you share with everyone a little bit about yourself, your role here, and maybe a little bit of history about TC Boxes.
Yeah, cool, mate. So TC kicked off in 2016. Started in Pakenham, Victoria with toolboxes. Okay. And then moved into the canopy space, and I think probably just over 2 years ago now, we introduced the tray line there as well, and as a part of that comes the rest of the accessories and stuff like that as well to fit out with wheel holders, jerry cans, roof racks, drawer units. We do Enerdrive power systems now internally, fridge slides, pull-out kitchens, ovens. Yeah, there's a heap there to offer, which make us a great choice for pretty much anyone.
So we're out here at Marsden Park today. Beautiful big facility, right?
It is,
how long have you been out here for?
So I started with the company coming on 2 years now. My background was automotive in the dealership space. So coming across here to TC Boxes, I'm still close enough to what I know, but nice little change. Yeah. This facility, pretty much when I got here, was just completely empty, so it's been awesome to get it set up. Wow. And here in New South Wales, we actually have two sites now. Okay. So we have this site here at Marsden Park and also another site at Mayfield West up in Newcastle too. Yeah.
Fantastic. And look, racks and racks and racks of stock
There's
out
a lot
there.
of storage there.
And a very efficient team out there. The boys have been smashing into the Triton. I've been filming them this morning and documenting the progress. On average, how many cars a day or a week are you guys sort of punching out here?
So the guys will try to get sort of a car done in a day in the morning.
Yep.
And if they can get sort of, 4 and a couple of like half builds done each sort of lead installer a week, they're pretty chuffed with that and happy. But
they're pretty efficient.
Yeah, they run a little bit of competition out there as well, but the guys are getting really efficient. But it makes it easy when we have such a good product that really can go together with any combination as well. So, just piecing that together for the vehicle.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to share everybody exactly, not just the parts, but the footage of how well it goes together and how good it's going to look when she hits the road. So
definitely, man.
Again, thanks again, mate, because we're really excited. This is our first install. We're going to have a pile more happening over the next probably 6 to 8 weeks. So it's going to be
awesome,
exciting space.
Yeah, cool, pumped.
Awesome, good on
Can't
you,
wait
buddy.
to get it all done for you.
Keep up the good work.
Excellent, thanks, mate.